Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make good chocolate-covered strawberries. First, select firm, ripe strawberries with vibrant green stems. Gently wash them under cool water, then pat them completely dry with paper towels. Any moisture can cause your chocolate to seize, so this step is crucial. Prepare a baking sheet by lining it with parchment paper or wax paper. This will be where your dipped strawberries cool. Now let's get to the chocolate. Opt for a good quality chocolate, whether it's dark, milk, or white, as it truly makes a difference in taste and how it melts. You can melt it using a double boiler for gentle heat or in the microwave in 30-second bursts, stirring well after each interval. Continue until the chocolate is completely smooth and glossy, with no lumps remaining. Time for the fun part, dipping. Hold each strawberry by its green stem and submerge it into the melted chocolate, twisting gently to coat about 2/3 of the berry. Lift it out, letting any extra chocolate drip back into the bowl. Carefully place the dipped strawberry onto your prepared parchment paper. If you're adding sprinkles, nuts, or a contrasting chocolate drizzle, do it now before the chocolate sets. Once all your strawberries are dipped and decorated, place the baking sheet in the refrigerator for about 15 to 20 minutes. This allows the chocolate to set completely, giving you that satisfying snap. For the best flavor and texture, let them come to room temperature for a few minutes before serving. They are best enjoyed within 1 to 2 days. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.